Okay, so you work in education and you need an identity management solution. No pressure. Piece of cake, right? Well, with ClassLink, it is. First, let's talk about the one thing on everyone's mind: data privacy and security. ClassLink is committed to privacy, and we make pledges, lots of them, and we complete audits, rigorous ones, to ensure our layered security features safeguard your district with the highest protection. And with several methods of MFA, including QR code access for the little ones, we understand there isn't a one-size-fits-all approach to cybersecurity. Which brings us to ClassLink LaunchPad, a personalized portal where all your students and staff access district-approved digital resources starting on day one. Picture this. You unlock your smartphone, you see all your favorite apps on one screen. Now imagine that, but instead of social media and game apps, you have all your digital learning resources in one place. That's LaunchPad. With approved apps automatically delivered to staff and students based on their schedule, class, or job duty, there's no more usernames or passwords for anyone in your school system ever again. Plus, with your ClassLink subscription, you gain access to the entire ClassLink suite, including tools like ClassLink Roster Server, which takes your students' data, works some magic, and voila! Resources are automatically delivered to staff and students based on their grade level, schedule, class, whatever you need. Manual rostering? Never again. When staff or students transfer, that's handled too. ClassLink OneSync automatically creates and reconciles all your AD, Entra ID, or Google accounts, making district turnover effortless. Better yet, we know schools are really interested in analytics that can help tell data stories. Not fairy tale stories. Nope, data stories that identify trends and help you make strategic decisions. ClassLink Analytics provides school leaders a front row seat to real-time data on resources accessed through LaunchPad. And if a resource is underutilized, you'll know it. Perhaps additional training is needed. After all, even the best technology is only as good as its implementation. Speaking of, ClassLink is known for outstanding customer service. From day one, you're in great hands. We kick things off with a PMI-certified implementation expert who works alongside you to get everything up and running in about 6 to 8 weeks. Once you're live, you'll be introduced to your very own ClassLink engagement director, a true partner for the entire journey. With ClassLink, you're never alone. We're like the edtech version of that place where everybody knows your name. ClassLink offers 24/7 support and someone who's always ready to assist. Plus, we've got a knowledge base packed with hundreds of support articles to guide you through any task, perfect for students and staff too. Do you prefer more hands-on training? Our award-winning ClassLink Academy is just for you. It's filled with interactive courses that are informative and funny, just like this video. So, ClassLink has you covered with just about everything. Advanced learning analytics, single sign-on with MFA, and some of the best customer service in the industry. Sounded good to be true? Not with ClassLink. It's a piece of cake, remember? Learn more at classlink.com or send a note to info@classlink.com and let's make some magic happen together.